5 common workers' compensation questions answered. The lawyers at Commonwealth Law Group consult with and represent many injured workers every year. So we hear a lot of questions about Virginia workers' comp law and how it may impact their claim or subsequent lawsuit. So I'd like to take a couple of minutes to talk about 5 of the most common questions people ask when they contact us for a free, no-obligation consultation. One of the most asked questions: is workers' compensation a lawsuit? No, it's not a lawsuit. It's an insurance claim. The Virginia Workers' Compensation Act was created to provide prompt and fair compensation to employees injured on the job. Therefore, the intent of workers' compensation is to prevent lawsuits. However, in certain limited cases, an injured employee may need to file a lawsuit to get the compensation they deserve. As compensation attorneys, Commonwealth Law Group can advise you on whether your specific case might become a lawsuit. Another common question is, will workers' compensation pay me? Generally, yes. If you're injured during the normal course and scope of employment and you are unable to work due to the injury, your employer's workers' compensation insurance should pay you lost wage benefits in addition to paying for your medical treatment. A multitude of factors impacts a workers' compensation claim, many of which are complex. We recommend that you call an experienced workers' comp attorney to guide you through the process. We also get this question: how much are the weekly benefits paid by workers' compensation? It depends on your wages on the date of the injury. In Virginia, workers' compensation pays 2/3, or 66.66%, of your average weekly salary. Assuming that your claim is accepted by your employer and their insurer, if you were making $500 per week before you were injured, you would receive $333.33 each week from the workers' compensation insurance carrier while you're eligible to receive such payments. The last question, but one of the most important: how long can I collect workers' compensation? In Virginia, the maximum amount of time that you can collect workers' compensation payments is generally 500 weeks, which is about 9.5 years. However, very few injured workers collect payments for that length of time. The amount of time you will receive payments is limited by your treating doctor's assessment of your recovery and your subsequent ability to return to work. Once your treating physician gives you a full-duty release to return to work, you're no longer eligible to collect weekly payments. If you've been injured at work anywhere in Virginia, contact the Richmond Workers' Compensation attorneys at Commonwealth Law Group. Call us at 804-999-9999. We'll fight to get you the justice that you deserve. Justice starts at CLG.